Oops. Hey, I'm just gonna share the app right now. I was doing some testing. There it is.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, there you are. So everyone's here, and I just wanted to share what we had so far.
Mhm.
So this one, yeah, and we have some updates, a big change um, in the way that everything was structured. So now when you go to the AI chat, first of all, it looks really nice. The whole thing looks totally unified. So that's great. There's some menus which don't work, um, but we know that. Um, at least now the code is merged, so different people could work on this. Like if we wanted to have someone work on the profile page or the settings page, like separate people could do that now. So I think that's really good. Um, yeah, like we could split it up even between three people. Um, Same with this menu. I don't think it's working, is it?
No, that's hard coded right now.
Okay, yeah. But something else that but aside from all that, I mean, the main priority is still getting the editor like to edit files correctly. Um, One thing that I noticed when I was just playing around with it. Oh yeah, also I think this might just be an old template thing, but we need to make sure all the templates. Wait, sorry. Import. How does it go? Import React? No,
Yeah.
it's like this.
Yeah. Or
Import
import
React
star.
from React,
Yeah. That
something like
also
that.
works. Yeah.
Then this goes away. Okay, so I noticed change the title of the page. I noticed one thing, which is this overflows right away horizontally. Um, and yeah, so that's like quite frustrating actually, because it also makes the chat overflow here. See, um, so that's something we should do. Um, but yeah, otherwise it's looking great, and I think we can just start working on that amongst multiple people. So even though we're working a little bit more slowly now, um, if everyone's working just a little bit, we can still get a lot done in a week or two. You know what I
Right.
mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Um, yeah. I was just reviewing the changes that Victor made, and that's really looking really good.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah, it looks really good. Like I said, we had the state is managed by use context, Zustand,
yeah.
and 10 stack, and they all have their own things. I'm I'm looking into some changes I want to make to the prompt, how the prompts work.
Hmm.
Um, I want um, when I want it to know the state of the file tree. Wait, does it know this already? I don't
State
think
of
it
the
does.
no, not yet
What
because
files
yeah.
are in the project? So I wanted to know that. Um, oh yeah, okay. Yeah, we need to fix this.
Oh yeah, it does know that. I think we pass. I think
Yeah,
we
yeah,
passed the
it
template
was
template
great.
JSON with the prompt as well, right, Victor? Like,
Yeah, I think so.
let me see.
Yeah,
Where's
but I wanted to know the current state of the file tree.
oh current state
Yeah. So
template prompt?
so that's I don't believe that's in. Anyways, I want to fix that. Now I think I have a good idea. But yeah, I think also like there's some stuff that maybe like next week we could start giving to Abdul and maybe Burhan if he has time as well.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay.
Um, so yeah, from the aside from that, what are the like aside from getting the editor working? Actually, who's gonna do that? who's gonna who's gonna work on the editor experience?
Um, so I think I'm gonna be working on making AI better on the back
Hmm.
end, like
Yeah.
making sure everything that we have on the UI is working. Actually, it's not just a placeholder, and I'm also kind of halfway through that.
Okay.
So I think, and the front end should. I think Victor would be the main person to work on the front end, and then Burhan and Abdul can help him with
Yeah.
the things over there.
They can be extensions of Victor. So, which files are you working in right now, Akhilesh?
So mainly it will be files related to mainly the AI package that we have, and then basically the UI stuff where it is hard coded. So basically around the AI package. But if you want to work on the prompt builder, you can work on it because
Yeah,
that
I'll
will
just make
not.
sure to
Yeah,
update you
yeah,
on the
that will
code.
not change that much with the changes that I'm doing. So you can just work on it if you want.
Yeah. Also, I just wanted to show a couple of small things.
Oh, and one more
Yeah.
thing before that. Yeah, the changes that Victor made are really good. It's just that there are some UI changes that we need, that you just showed us that we need to do, and that will be done momentarily. But then again, uh, the changes are good. It's just that we need to add some JS talks throughout the files that were created, so that it's really easy for anyone who is looking at it to understand. Just that there are a lot of
Yeah.
components in, let's
Yeah.
say, for example, AI chat message, let's say. So for that specific, we need to add like extensive JS documentation throughout the file. And
Yeah.
I think this applies to like every file that we have in the project, um, because we refactored things too much, so that now we need to have some JS documentation. The AI
Sure.
package already has that. I think the web should also have that.
Yeah. Yeah. It's that makes perfect sense. Let me just show you a couple of notes also that I came up with when I was just looking through it today. So I feel like, oops, sorry, Abdul. This one here. Okay, so basically, these are just ideas for things that could be a little bit more clearly named.
Yeah.
So like, the nav bar doesn't really do any navigation, so maybe we could call it toolbar. Um, Probably terminals.ts could be terminal.ts. These are just suggestions, but
Hmm.
then like these should probably go to kebab case, right?
Yeah, yeah. All things in our project should be kebab keys.
And then I would also really like it if we could be really clear between, um, like,
Yeah.
okay, edit code widget, it does make sense, but if we can put inline in there, then
Mm.
it's gonna help me a lot, and I think it's gonna help future contributors a lot.
Yeah, I
Um,
agree. Sorry, I agree with that.
so we can generally just use the word inline if it's inline, and chat if it's chat. That would help a lot.
Yeah, we can actually rename the AI edit folder uh, as
Mhm.
inline AI edit folder,
Yeah,
and then inside of that we can just add inline before every file name.
yeah,
Or
um,
if the folder is name inline, then I think we don't need to add
yeah.
inline to every file name either. So
Yeah,
just
that makes a lot of sense.
yeah.
And then another thing that confused me was context has like two meanings. It
Yeah.
has the context in React, and then it also has the context in the LLM. So
Yeah.
I was wondering
Is it in
how we
the
can fix that.
hooks
But it's only used once. We only use this like once or
with
twice. The context
get combined context? Oh,
get
it's
combined.
in the AI chat. It must be in the AI chat.
Yeah, it is. So
Oh, yeah, that
um,
makes sense.
So this was kind of confusing the first time because I thought it was going to be combining um, context providers.
Yeah, that makes
so
sense.
so maybe
Uh,
there's something.
what do
Um,
you think we should use?
oh, I just suggested just put string at the end or something like that,
Oh, okay. Get
or
combined
prompt,
context
or
string.
prompt. Yeah,
Yeah,
like
that makes sense. Okay.
either of those would be fine. Uh, then the what I'm thinking of doing. I'll bring up my editor here. Stream chat.
Oh, actually, we don't see.
Yeah,
Uh,
one sec.
yeah.
This one? Yeah, this. There must be an easier way to do this. Anyways, um, so this is kind of one of the most important lines for like structuring things because it connects the web package to the AI package,
Yeah.
stream chat. This here, and they don't basically they don't share state, do they? Not like the AI package and the web package. They don't share any state, right?
No, no,
So like all of the context providers and the Zustand is not
no,
those
no.
are
Because we have a client that gets created each time the AI chat is being opened, so we don't actually need state.
so um, so everything that the chat can do can know about the project
Exactly. Yeah.
is in this JavaScript object.
Yeah.
So we are passing the file tree. It looks like we're passing the project type, the active file content, the project name, and then this is like a bunch of stuff glued together,
Yeah. Yeah.
which comes from get combined context, which is I definitely want to like make this a little more readable, um,
Yeah.
but basically it puts all of the little tokens of what do you call them the
Um,
the embedded files, the attachments,
yeah. It's context steps.
context tabs.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I might change this a little bit, because I think file tree. I might need to add a couple things, but yeah.
Yeah, and just a heads up on this, because this object will be updated to add one more field, which will be
Oh really?
for selecting different providers, sorry, different mod.
Oh yeah, yeah, that would be really good. Okay, cool. Yeah,
So
and
yeah, so it's just like I will add one more field. I'll not change the other ones, but I'll add one more field to it, or a boolean.
yeah. So Burhan, one thing that we were talking about, which could be really interesting, would be to make like a a demo project, which is like the most scaled down version of GitWit, which is just a demo of how to use um, the AI client,
Right.
um, and that would basically allow this interface to be used by other people. I mean, it already is. Other people can already use this interface in their own projects, but we could teach people, um, and we could get their input, like how they would use this. Um,
Right.
in a similar way to like how Tambo is like a client for many chat apps.
Mm-hmm.
This could be a client for different AI code editors. So,
Makes sense.
so the idea would actually be for that you could possibly create a template showing people how to do this. Um, yeah, just like we did with Tambo.
Yeah,
Okay, like a like base template that makes use of this chat provider.
Yeah,
Uh, like pretty much how the AI is working.
yeah.
Yeah,
Um,
exactly. And then the main function that you need to know about is just this screen chat. Actually, not even screen chat. It will be. James, can you go to the AI.ts?
this one.
Yeah, it's if you scroll down a bit, it will be AI client.
Oops.
Yeah, create AI client basically.
Sorry, I'm just still getting used to this one. Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
AI
whoa.
client.
Okay. Ah, sorry, I just switched to windsurf. I
Oh, this
think.
is Windsor? I didn't even
Yeah.
realize.
Hey, it looks so much
This one.
like VS Code.
Okay, yeah. So this
Hmm.
is uh,
Suspicious. Okay.
okay. So this is the main function, which is create AI client and then AI client dot chat.
Okay, so you need
Okay,
both of these.
Yeah.
cool.
Oh, and then wait. So
So you create an
stream
AI client and then the
stream
AI
chat
client.
is not part of the AI library.
No, that's just a
Oh,
server
it's just a
action that I
wrapper.
created. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's a server action.
So
Okay.
that uh, I don't have to recreate the AI client everywhere that I
Uh-huh.
want to use
Uh-huh.
AI chat.
Oh wait. So the is this dot chat meant to be used on the back end, or
Um,
does it matter?
it doesn't matter, to be honest. You can use it anywhere.
Okay.
It's just that it was better this way when I created it.
But if I use AI client on the front end,
Hmm.
is it gonna try and make? Is the front end gonna try and connect to the LLM provider?
Technically, it should.
Okay. Which most of the time doesn't work by default.
I mean, I haven't tried it.
But in your API keys, we go through the client, right?
Yeah,
So ideally, this is should be on the
on the back end. Yeah.
back end, right?
Ideally, it should be on the back end. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay. Well, that's fine with Next.js.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Cool.
basically, these two functions is what I wanted to say.
All right.
Tika.
Yeah, I think that's Tika.
Huh.
Yeah.
Sorry, that was instinctive. Okay, perfect.
Okay. Victor, Tika means just to give everyone here who's not in the know. Tika is Hindi for
Okay.
okay.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
For
Okay.
those of us who
That
haven't
sounds
been to
good.
India.
yeah. I haven't been there as well, bro.
All right. Yeah, that's really all. I think this gives us a really good direction going forward, and I'm happy that we can like start splitting it up. Um, that should be great.
Perfect.
Oh, and one more thing. With the AI client dot chat, we also have AI client dot merge, which is basically to apply changes to the from the code from the code snippets that the AI gives us to the
Mhm.
open tabs in the editor.
Tik. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I've written this down, including the files that you mentioned.
Yeah, yeah. So it's everything is in the AI.ts, so you will figure it out. It's simple enough.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Great. Then yeah, we'll get back more into this stuff next week.
Yeah, definitely.
Any
Tika.
questions? See you again. All
No,
right.
All
perfect.
right.
All right. All right. See you.